this video, I'm going to show you how to set a footer Dawn theme. So let's get started. As you can see right here, I'm on the Dawn theme of Shopify. Now let's click on this customize right here. And then once you have click on that, you should be able to see in here the actual homepage of my store. So let's scroll down until we reach the footer right here. So you can see the footer. Once you have click on it, you should be able to see the settings for the specific photo. So you can turn on and turn off the email sign up. And as you can see, the subscribe to emails has been removed. You can also turn this on depending what you want. Now in here, you can also change the color scheme. So for example, you want it to be blue, you can just click on that. And as you can see, it's been changed to that color. So you can also edit it out. Like for example, you don't want blue, you can head over in here and then try to create this color right here of red. Then you can also change that into that color. So let's close this one. Now we have here the actual heading for that footer, like for the subscribe emails, as well as the follow on shop, and the social media icons as well, if you have any connected. Now you can also see in your country and region, but it depends on if you want to show that. So in here, you can also put in here in language selector, but you need to set up this up on the language settings, as well as the payment methods. Now, when you close this, as you can see, the PayPal has been removed. So I'll just remain that as is. And in here, you can see the session padding and all of that, as well as the link settings. Now, you can also see that I have these links right here. You can actually edit that out by heading over to the default content of your Shopify footer. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.